we are starting with the partnership fundamental accounting chapter 1, and we have already discussed about the interest on capital, interest on drawings. So we will not discuss this topic in this class. If you are not taking those classes, you can find these classes on my YouTube channel. So let's start. Question number 1. Amit and Vijay started a partnership business on 1st April 2018. The capital contribution were rupees 2 lakh and 1,50,000 respectively. The partnership deed provided as follows. Interest on capital be allowed at 10% per annum. B point, Amit to get a salary of rupees 2,000 per month and Vijay 3,000 per month. Profits are to be shared in the ratio of 3:2. Net profit for the year ended 31st March 2019 was 2,16,000. Interest on drawings amounted to rupees 2,200 for Amit and 2,500 for Vijay. Prepare P&L appropriation account. तो हम लोगों ने इसके बारे में पहले भी डिस्कस कर रखा है कि P&L appropriation का एक क्लियर कट फॉर्मेट है. ये फॉर्मेट कुछ जिस तरीके से है, ये हम एक बार दोबारा रिवाइज कर ले रहे हैं. यहाँ पर पर्टिकुलर्स, by profit BD to interest on capital to bonus, salary, commission, or other payments to the partner by the firm, and this side by interest on drawings. This is a clear-cut format. So here, debit side or credit side, whichever is higher, we will calculate both sided debit and credit, and we find the answer like this side net divisible profit transfer to partners capital account. So in the same sense, now we can see on this screen, I am showing you the P&L appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Interest on capital, Amit and Vijay, 20,000 and 15,000. As you can see, the capital of Amit, ₹2 lakh. Capital of Vijay, 1,50,000. And the interest on capital, 10% per annum. Interest on capital, 10% per annum. So इंटरेस्ट फॉर अमित 2 लाख का 10% कैलकुलेट करेंगे हम यहाँ पर, which is 20,000, and for Vijay it will become 15,000. As you can see in the solution, again Amit 2,000 rupees per month salary multiplied by 12, and Vijay 3,000 per month salary multiplied by 12, 24,000, 36,000 respectively. And this side, interest on drawings. As you can see in the last, after giving the profit, interest on drawings amounted to rupees 2,200 for Amit and 2,500 for Vijay. This will shown on the right side of P&L appropriation account, that is credit side, because it is the income of firm charged to partners personally. And finally, we will get the answer, that is profit 1,25,700, and it will divided by the old partners or partners in the ratio 3:2. This one. Now the question number 2. Show how the following will be recorded in the capital account of the partners Sohan and Mohan when their capital are fluctuating. Fluctuating capital account. Capital given as 4 lakh, 3 lakh. Drawings 50,000, 30,000. Interest on capital 5%. Interest on drawing. Share of profit 60,000, 50,000. पार्टनर्स की सैलरी है, कमीशन है. ऑलमोस्ट सभी चीजें कैलकुलेट करके दी हुई हैं, हमें केवल यहाँ पर प्रेजेंटेशन करना है इसे कैपिटल अकाउंट्स में. As you can see in this capital account, these are the fluctuating capital account. Means a single capital account will be presented by the firm here by balance BD. यहाँ पर टू और बाई का यूज आपको जरूर करना है, इसमें रह गया है. By balance BD for the capital balances, by interest on capital 5% के हिसाब से 20,000, 15,000. P&L appropriation account profit balances 60,000, 50,000. partners की salary only for give to the Sohan 36,000 and commission for both 5,000, 3,000. And this side drawings 50,000, 30,000. interest on drawings 12,000, 1,250 and 750. And finally balance CD. Same pattern पे balance calculate करना है. Credit side 5,21,000 Sohan and debit side 50,000 and 1,250 will be deducted from this total. And finally we get the answer 4,69,750. that is the closing balance of capital for Sohan, and 3,37,250 for Mohan. So this is the presentation of partners capital account in the fluctuating manner. Or you can also say that this is the plus side or credit side of capital account, and this side the minus. Again, question number 3. A and B are partners. A's capital is 1 lakh, B's capital 60,000. interest on capital is payable at 6% per annum. B is entitled to a salary of rupees 3,000 per month. Profit for the current year before interest and salary to B is rupees 80,000. Prepare P&L appropriation account. Again, we can see that profit and loss, the balance of P&L account 80,000. interest on capital calculated 6% per annum on the opening balance of capital. Again, salary 3,000 per month to B for 12 months, and profit. Remaining profit transferred to both the partners' capital account equally.